Hey, what's up guys? Today we are at my favorite Disney park to ride my favorite Disney ride. Let's go inside and check it out. Before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time, so click that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. The very last video that I did was me at 2 theme parks riding every ride at those 2 theme parks. Today we're only going to focus on one ride. After that video I felt like a boxer after a 15-round fight. So today we're going to take it down a notch, focus on one ride, and just try to enjoy ourselves a bit. The best ride at Disney, one of the best rides in the world, my favorite, come on, you guys know, is Tower of Terror, right? Maybe 5-year-old Rick would say something different. Maybe 5-year-old Rick would say like the Pirates of the Caribbean or something like that. But this Rick, 100% the Tower of Terror. Located at the end of Sunset Boulevard, my favorite ride, officially called Twilight Zone Tower of Terror, here sits the Hollywood Tower Hotel. It opened in July of 1994, so I think it's old enough for us to refer to this as a classic now. Where it stands today is not where Disney originally intended. When they started construction, a sinkhole opened up, which caused them to move the hotel just slightly. Officially, this is an accelerated drop tower dark ride, but to me, it's just plain old fun. The Twilight Zone Tower of Terror is 199 feet tall, making it the 2nd tallest attraction at Walt Disney World. Beating it by a half-foot is Expedition Everest, which makes sense, right? It's Everest. It should be the tallest thing at Disney. However, I should note, the ride Expedition Everest doesn't take us on Everest exactly. We're actually on the Forbidden Mountain. I love the outside theming of this ride, this attraction. Just looking at it is an enjoyable activity. I think that's enough chit chat. Let's go for a ride.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star. And this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone. It's opening for you.
Now that door has opened once again. For you.
The best ride at Disney. Take my word for it. The inside queue has a Twilight Zone overlay. And in the first part of that overlay, we see a show that features the real Rod Sterling from the original Twilight Zone TV show. But when they start talking specifically about the Hollywood Tower Hotel, it is a voice actor. And I mean, he is spot on with doing Rod's voice. Now here's a fun little fact. The archival footage used at the beginning of that pre-show is from a Twilight Zone episode called It's a Good Life, and you should check that out if you get a chance. Also of note is this little girl holding a Mickey doll that matches the same time period, the same styling that it would have in the 1930s. In fact, the entire pre-show contains several items from the old TV series, like the Mystic Seer machine from an episode called The Nick of Time. As far as the actual ride experience itself, the drop pulls you down slightly faster than what gravity would if you were in a free fall. So the top speed of that fall is going to reach about 39 miles per hour. And of course, it's the thing that makes this ride so much fun is the fact that you are actually falling or being pulled down faster than gravity itself. That is the big thrill. Another good thing that makes this ride enjoyable time after time is the fact there are several different sequences, and those sequences are generated by a computer randomly. So you never know what you're going to get when you get on this ride. Let me tell you how good this ride is. This is the only reason my daughter Courtney gets an annual pass. It's for the Tower of Terror. I mean, she kind of likes rock and roller coaster, but that doesn't get her in the gates. Tower of Terror, that does. And now into the gift shop. $35 for this women's varsity t-shirt. Of course, it's the number 13. $20 for this Tower of Terror mug. Front side we have Mickey, back side Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. $25 for this Twilight Zone Tower of Terror hat. It's reflective. In order to see the secret image, you need to use your flash on your iPhone. $35 for this Hollywood Tower Hotel shirt. I can't tell if it's a guy's or a lady's. The neck seems awfully wide. At second glance, I do believe it is a unisex shirt. I think this is my size, but the neck's really big. For $10, we have this bell, you know, like a front desk bell. $10, I don't know how the workers stand it. People walk by this thing all the time just ringing the bell. $30 for this picture frame. You just took a picture. You just bought the picture from the ride, right? Here's the frame you need to put it in. $45 for this t-shirt hoodie of the Hollywood Tower Hotel. $25 for this t-shirt. It's got the color scheme of the Tower of Terror. This is the classic color scheme. $45 for this game of Clue themed to the Tower of Terror. Oh my goodness, Nikki would love this. Oh my goodness, I love this house robe, this bathrobe for $75 with the Hollywood Tower Hotel crest on the chest. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Oh my goodness, guys, I can't leave without showing you the bellhop hat. $22 could make part of a nice Halloween costume, I suppose. Well, one more thing to show you, ladies. Got your little handbag here, a HTH handbag for $78. And now on to Galaxy's Edge. I have a little research I need to do for a future vlog. Getting out of here should be pretty fun, as I did lock my keys in my car when I got out of it this morning. But all I have to do is show up in the parking lot, ask for some help, and they should be able to help me right there. I suppose I should mention why Hollywood Studios is my favorite Disney park. It has to do with the fact that it relates to the movies. And I love the movies, so this park, more than any other Disney park, really relates to the movies. Therefore, I really like it. So guys, I have made it into Galaxy's Edge. I'm not going to show you a lot of what I'm doing today. It's mainly research for a couple videos I've considered doing. One's kind of controversial. I don't know if I'm going to do it, but I'll at least do the research and see if I want to do it. Okay, I'll tell you one of the ideas. It would be a versus, it could be Diagon Alley versus Galaxy's Edge. You know what, maybe I'll put a poll up. Or leave a comment. Let me know what you think of that video idea. I've only been in here one other time. That was with Nikki, and I missed this one. I like it. So I know there's a video out there about how Disney does such a great job handling mosquitoes. You want to impress me, Disney? Get rid of the love bugs. It is love bug season right now. And they are everywhere. So if you're visiting, if you're not familiar with love bugs, it's a curse by the University of Florida. Just kidding, that's the urban legend, is that the University of Florida created these things. And they torture us once a year about this time. A quick check on Smuggler's Run, and I can report it is a 45-minute wait today. Well, oh goodness, we've got Chewbacca doing some work on a little fighter over here. Well, Chewie has moved on to another repair job over here. working on this moisture evaporator, I guess. Fix it up, fuzzball. That's all I have to say. Okay guys, I think I gathered enough intel for today on Galaxy's Edge. Like I said, I have a couple videos I'm considering. Vote on that one. Should I do a versus? Should I do Diagon Alley versus Galaxy's Edge? Vote on that one. Let me know if I should do that video. Of course, I am not leaving empty-handed, as I did get myself a little Coke in one of these detonator bottles. Pretty cool. You know what guys, considering I still need Disney to unlock my car for me, I think that's going to end it for today. A little short vlog, I think, but I am going to come back this weekend with Nikki and take a closer look at the new Hollywood Studios. Until then, don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Thanks for watching Rick's Flix, and now it's time to relax. A couple shout outs to those who have visited our coffee page and bought us a cup of coffee recently. First up, Lily the Pomeranian, who will be visiting Universal for 5 days and also has booked an HHN RIP tour. How exciting. Next up, we have Hank. Hank's going to be visiting in mid-October. Have a good time, Hank. Hello and welcome to our newest Patreon producers, Ash Gauthier, Neil Whitaker, and Ricardo Justin. And a thank you to our longtime supporters, Andrew Bundle, Angelina Twazer, Anita and Jim, Ashley Atkinson, Craig Conley, Harry Beadle, John Gosby, Jose Mata, Josh Grabiak, Nick Hahn, Sonia Tucci, and Stephen Brodude.